Hey skinnies! I have one of the most delicious dinners tonight, but it doesn't look pretty. So we made it today to do some like filming and stuff with it. And obviously it's gone cold and I've reheated it. So it doesn't look as good as what it does when it's freshly made. And that's just a hot tip if you want to meal prep this one, just meal prep everything and cook it fresh. But have the lazy chicken lasagna for dinner tonight. So in the Mediterranean book, we've got lazy lasagna. Now, it was called lazy lasagna because we called it lasagna soup and no one liked the name. It's so delicious. No one liked the name of it. So we just like changed the name to Lazy Lasagna and it went viral. It was so popular. So when I was writing the recipes for dinners for, I thought, what about doing a lazy chicken lasagna? It's a little bit different to the other lasagna. So the other lasagna is more like a soup. This one is more like a lasagna, like it's thicker, if that makes sense. But it's a similar concept, like it's got the pasta and the chicken and everything. It's creamy. And then there's this like incredible cheese sort of dip topping that you put on top and let it melt. It's totally different to the other recipe. It's not like I've just like recreated the same recipe or anything with chicken. It's very different. The flavors are wild. I actually think it's better than the other lasagna, but I don't know. It's very, very yummy. I actually really like this version of it. It serves, sorry, I'm like got a little bit of a head cold. It's not too bad, but it's driving me crazy. It serves 6 and it's around, I think like 450, 449 calories a serve, but it's a big serve. Like it's not a small serve at all. High in protein because it's like full of chicken mince and stuff like that. It's also got some veg in it too. So it's got carrot and celery in it. And yeah, it's very quick and easy. It's under half an hour. Lasagna takes so long to make. So for me, anything that's quick and easy to get on the dinner table that the kids will eat is a win for me. So I do think that this will be a very popular recipe and I do think that people will love this one. Our our traditional chicken lasagna is so popular. So I think that this is going to be a very popular recipe too. It's different though. It's just different to all the other recipes that I've done that are like, you could say, oh, but it's a lasagna. It's so different and it's incredible. You guys are going to love it. Yeah. Apart from that, I don't have a lot to say about the lazy chicken lasagna, apart from the fact that the development team do double the cheese stuff that goes on top, and they use it as dip as well, because it's really, really yummy. So it kind of replicates the idea of like a bechamel on top of a lasagna, but easy. You don't have to cook it. It's like an uncooked thing. We made it higher in protein by using cottage cheese in this one. It's got cottage cheese, Parmesan cheese, and mozzarella. So you can use ricotta or cottage cheese. We did ours with cottage cheese because it's high in protein. Then the main part is just like classic chicken lasagna. Like think of leek, carrot, celery, chicken mince, lasagna, like sheets broken up. It's got chicken stock, it's got Worcestershire sauce and some garlic and a few other little like onion powder and garlic powder and stuff like that. But for the most part, it's all pantry staples that you should have on hand and so much easier than actually making a chicken lasagna, which is why I've called it the lazy chicken lasagna. Anyway, this recipe is found in Dinners For, which is coming out next Friday. Is it next Friday? The 10th? Is that Friday or Sunday? I'm pretty sure it's Friday. I should know, but I'm like delirious right now. It's been a very long day. So yeah, the book is coming out next week. It's either Friday or Sunday. I think it's Friday. No, it's definitely Friday, isn't it? So get excited, skinnies, because this one is freaking amazing. It is hands down the best book we've ever written. Like I would put my whole house on this being the best cookbook that we have ever produced. The development team have said the same thing. There's people in the dev team who've cooked every single recipe, which is not something that happens every time because it's so expensive to do, you know, every single recipe when you're in the development team. It's not like, it's definitely, you know, it's a thing. Like, what do people do to save money? They cook the same things over and over again, right? So the dev team, the fact that there's like multiple people in the dev team who have tested every single recipe, and also they've made comments that it's the best book we've ever written by a long shot. I'm very happy. Like, I know you guys are gonna love this one. Anyway, sorry I'm not my usual bubbly self tonight, but I'm gonna finish eating my very nourishing, delicious dinner, and then I'm gonna get into bed. All right, I love you guys. If you have any questions about dinners for, pop them in the comments and I will answer them as soon as I've done my dinner and I have laid down. All right, see ya.